The China proposed philosophy of ecological civilization has gained recognition from the international community as the Kunming Declaration was adopted at the key UN Environment Conference COP15. The philosophy, put forward in 2018, comprises several principles including ensuring harmony between humans and nature and regarding a sound ecological environment as the most inclusive advantage to people's well-being.
China looks to the past in order to understand the future. And in terms of ecological diversification, ecological civilization, it is a recognition that the world has come to where it is today by the civilization process of the ecology of the world. And China is saying that we need to protect that civilization as much as anything else. We can't just build motorways and new towns and cities. We need to produce a balance of nature. And it is, I think, probably of great value to the world.
This idea of eco-civilization, where they are talking about harmony between the human and the planet. I think that is a fundamental, you can say, their ideology, which is steering the process and leading the Chinese nation towards a harmony between planet and the human, but not at the cost of the human development. So China is not talking about the harmony. China is taking the step, and China also have increased its cooperation in the green economy, in the green sustainable development. So they are taking concrete step to how to move forward for the harmonization, because China understands that without harmonization of planet and a human, there is no sustainable development. That's why China have introduced a new model, eco-civilization. That is, I feel, it is a sustainable development with Chinese characteristics, especially of the policy, governance and the politics.